it's me, Alegra. Babes, I am so excited today. I have a huge surprise to share with you dolls. So let me just hurry up and get right into it. I've been trying to get this information out to you for like over a week now, but I've had so much like crazy stuff going on that like I'll just tell you about that later. But today is the day, guys. I'm going to finally let you know what the surprise is that I've been just can't wait to tell you guys about. So what it is a lot of you guys know and love Cate and Chloe jewelry. A lot of you beauties know I'm a huge fan of Cate and Chloe. They've been on The View, they've been on The Talk. Everybody is just so crazy for this jewelry line. And so, dolls, I have found out that they are having a $600 summer jewelry giveaway. So they are going to be giving away $600 in Cate and Chloe jewelry to one lucky winner. So all you have to do to take part is head over to the Cate and Chloe website. I'll link it below. And there'll be like a pop-up, and so it's super easy to take part. And the one lucky winner will receive $600 in Cate and Chloe jewelry. So I personally am just so shook. I can't wait to see who wins. I myself have entered, dolls, I'm not gonna lie, but full disclosure, I have entered. And I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope I want you guys to win, but you guys know I'll share the wealth. But anyway, we'll see who wins. We'll see who wins. But they are picking in winners soon, so definitely head over to the site. It's super easy, and like I said, they'll be picking one lucky winner. So Cate and Chloe jewelry is just so unique and so different. It is made of 18 karat gold, so that's what I personally love about it. It is very luxurious in style, yet the prices are super amazing, and they do use 18 karat gold, white gold. So for me, that's everything, because I'm allergic to so many different metals. But my Cate and Chloe jewelry has never given me an allergic reaction or caused me any pain. So that's why I just love Cate and Chloe jewelry so much. And dolls, I do have my own package to unbox today. I cannot believe it, but I got this gorgeous pair right here. I actually did unbox this the other day, guys, though. Oh my god. But I've been waiting to show them to you guys. So here they are. They are just absolutely beyond stunning. You might have seen I was wearing these on my Instagram, but I had made a little unboxing video, and the whole video just did not come out. It came out all blurry. Only that one picture that I took wound up coming out. But here they are, guys. Oh my god. So I'm going to go ahead now. After I saw the video, though, I was like, oh my god. So, but let me head out. I'm going to put them right back on. So I could not love these more. They're super lightweight. They are, like I said, made of 18 karat white gold, so the metal doesn't irritate me whatsoever, which is for me everything, because I have such sensitive skin. Within like 10 minutes of wearing, if it's not like a really good quality metal of gold or some kind of platinum or something like that, my ears will start to burn. Like it's like I can't wear them. So that's why I'm so happy Cate and Chloe has come out with their line, which is 18 karat white gold. So here they are, guys. Oh my god, they're so lightweight. That's another thing I absolutely love about them. They're extremely lightweight, but yet the metal feels, you know, the quality of the metal feels very, you know, it feels very rich, but yet it has some weight to it, yet they're weightless on your ears, so it's really weird. But I absolutely love that. So here they are here, and this is the style called Faithful. So I just absolutely love these, and I think these would make an amazing gift for yourself, for a loved one, or if you're even having a wedding, if you're in a wedding, if you're getting married, these would be amazing. If you're having gifts for your bridesmaids, this would make an amazing gift for your bridesmaids. There's just so many options. You could definitely wear these on a daily basis, because I guess because they're so lightweight, so they just give you, you just feel like you have nothing on. So I absolutely love that, but yet you get that, you know, kind of fancy feeling, so you're gonna feel like a princess and feel special, which is amazing, like when you wear these. So I could not love these more, and I will link this style down below. Like I said, these are called Faithful, and these are princess cut 18 karat white gold. So I just could not love these more. I've been wearing them like crazy ever since I got them. I tried, like I said, I tried to unbox them with you guys. I actually did. I'll try to put a clip in of when I actually, the first time I unboxed them, but then the rest of the video didn't come out for some reason. Like it got, well, I was using a different camera, so it got all fuzzy. But anyway, I've been wearing them since then, and I could not love them more. Like I said, you can wear them dressy, or you could wear them with your everyday outfits and just kind of, you know, give you, it just makes you feel amazing. It just gives you that, you know, just making you feel like, you know, special. So I absolutely love them, and I could not be happier. So I'm going to definitely be adding these to my Cate and Chloe collection. So definitely, dolls, if you want to take part in the Cate and Chloe $600 jewelry giveaway, like I said, just head over to the site. It's super easy to take part, and I can't wait to see who wins. I do believe they're going to be picking the winner soon. So like I can't wait for one of you beauties to be able to take home all this gorgeous, stunning jewelry for yourself. So thanks guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Let me know if you've entered. Let me know if you've tried Cate and Chloe for yourself. Are you a huge fan, as huge a fan of Cate and Chloe as I am? Like I said, I know they've been on The Talk, on The View, on so many of these shows. Everybody is just going crazy for Cate and Chloe jewelry, so I can definitely see why. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today, and I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing day, an amazing week, an amazing month, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, love you.